Guys, welcome back again to my channel. On this particular video, I want to share with you 3 steps that got me a congratulations from YouTube. As you must have seen by the thumbnail, you can see that everything there was so good, right? So I got a congratulations from YouTube. So follow through as I share with you these 3 steps that took me to that position. Guys, that particular channel is over 46,000 subscribers, and the first thing I have to do is I make sure to post consistently. Yes guys, I always preach consistent posting. You make sure to post consistently every time, every now and then. Do well to post, but do well to make sure that you're following through the YouTube community guidelines and whatever guidelines that is expected of you to follow before you post. Now, what do I mean by that? If you're posting a video by 12 o'clock, do not post the next video by 12:15, right? It might work for others, but this is me giving you my own personal experience. So if you post a video by 12 o'clock, you can actually post the next video by 1 o'clock. Give it at least an hour gap, right? So if you do that, then you wouldn't have any issues of spam, right? Spamming your account. You won't have any issues about that. So like I said, number one is consistent posting. I always post on that particular channel. I get to post at most 6 videos a day consistently, guys. 6 videos per day. I get to post that. So that's all about consistent posting. Anything you're doing, make sure to be consistent in it. Then the next, guys, is making sure to do everything necessary. That is, once you're uploading a video, every necessary step that you're expected to follow, make sure to do so. If you're uploading a video, you know you have to go with the title, you know you have to go with the description, you know you have to go with what's it called, the hashtags, the tags, the cards, the end screens, your comments, you leave it on, you know, all those necessary steps that I will be placing on the screen. Then you can see that these are what you need to do, the basics you need to do to make sure you have a very good upload. Number one, consistent posting, like I said. Number two, make sure to follow through every step that is needed and expected of you as you're about uploading a video. So the next one will be posting when my viewers are available. Now that very part, if you have the YouTube app, good and fine, but on that YouTube app you won't be able to see a lot of information. That's why most times you get to see YouTube directing you back to YouTube Studio. In that YouTube Studio, you have a lot to find out from. If you want to know if your video is doing so well, YouTube Studio will tell you that. If you want to know your video is not doing so well, YouTube Studio will also tell you that. There are a whole lot that YouTube Studio does that many persons don't know. So make sure to download YouTube Studio on the Google Play Store if you're using an Android, and if you're using an iPhone, on the Apple Store, YouTube Studio, right? So after downloading that, you can now check your analytics of every video in that YouTube Studio. So this particular video that you can see, the analytics, the way it went, the impression click-through rate, everything, guys, was just sweet. You can actually tell by the picture on the screen. So guys, I made sure to post when my viewers are available. Now what made me bring about the YouTube Studio is to show you how you can actually find out when your viewers are available. Now bear in mind that this might not be available for YouTubers that are still building their channel history, because you won't have enough data to show for, right? So just keep on posting, keep on engaging your community, your audience, your viewers, and before you know it, you will have a lot of data that YouTube will now be able to tell you, give you a full analytics and a breakdown of how your video is faring. So guys, these 3 steps are what I did: consistent posting, making sure I follow through every procedure that is expected of me when I'm uploading a video. Then the last but not the least is posting when my viewers are available. Now to throw more light in that posting when viewers are available, in that chart, as you can see on the screen, you can see that sometimes your viewers can be available, most of your viewers will be available from 6 p.m. downwards. So from that time you get to post more, because that's when they are available. I mean, who are you really doing a video for if not your viewers? So guys, these are the 3 steps I did, and I got a YouTube congratulatory note, meaning great job, all of that, guys, as you can see on the screen. So please do well to like this video, share, subscribe, and also drop a comment if this video was helpful. If you have any question, drop a comment. I will share with you all I know. See you guys in my next video. Bye.